Yo, baby, let me take you over here to the other side.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? How your mama know? I hope she doing good. So, you guys know I do have a beginners playlist here on my channel, and if you don't know, well, now you know, because I'm telling you that I have a beginners playlist here on my channel. Basically, that playlist is going to be filled with all things makeup, beginner related, things that I feel like I would have wanted to see when I became interested in doing makeup and joining YouTube and watching YouTube videos back in 2014. Whew, that's a long time ago. But back in 2014, when I started getting into makeup and decided that, hey, I think I want to try my hand at, learning how to beat a face. These are steps and tips that I wish that I would have had. So, over Christmas, I bought my mom a minted eyeshadow stick collection. Can't really think of what the exact name of it is. It's failing me right now. But there were eyeshadow sticks. It's like all the eyeshadow sticks that Minted Cosmetics have. And my mom wanted that for Christmas. So I did get that for her. One thing that she said she didn't see on my channel was a tutorial using eyeshadow sticks. And I thought, whoa, I really don't have a video on my channel with that. And eyeshadow sticks are the easiest. And when I say easiest, they are the easiest things to master. Also, if you're traveling, you don't have to worry about carrying bulky eyeshadow palettes. You can just carry a shadow stick and your eyeshadow is going to be slayed just like this. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this look using the eyeshadow stick. And also something that's a little extra in the video is I'll show y'all how to apply the eyeshadow sticks using your fingers, because I feel like these are gonna be your first ever makeup tools that you have. Your fingers. I don't know if you guys know it, but when doing your makeup, you can use your fingers literally for anything. You can use your fingers for eyeshadow, concealer, foundation. You can even use it for contour, blush. Your fingers are always your first tools that you're using when you're doing makeup. Make sure you wash your hands though, but your fingers are going to always be your first tools that you're using. So I'm going to show y'all how to achieve this eyeshadow look using my fingers as well as using a shadow stick. I'm going to say it in the beginning because I want to make sure that it's drilled into y'all head and that y'all don't forget. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to join this tribe. And also, share my stuff. Don't be stingy with me. Share the wealth. There's other people that want to learn how to do their makeup and do it the easy way. So, without further ado, after you do all that stuff I just told you to do, I'm going to go ahead and roll that beautiful bean footage for you. But make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm telling you, I'm serious. Don't play with me. So the easiest look you can ever do is a look using a shadow stick, you guys. And this is the Bobbi Brown dual-ended long wear cream shadow stick. And y'all, they sent me this shadow stick, I want to say in 2020. And yes, it's still good in 2026 for me to be using this. Don't try it. So it is in the shades Pink Steel and Bark. So on this side, this is what the Pink Steel looks like. And yes, I have used it. So the Pink Steel is like a pretty shimmery champagne color. I don't know if you guys can see it. And the Bark side is just basically a dark chocolatey rich brown. So for today's look, we're gonna be sparkling it up and using the Pink Steel. We may incorporate a little bit of the Bark, but for right now, I'm feeling Pink Steel. So with any eyeshadow stick, the beauty of these is the fact that you don't have to have an actual powder eyeshadow in order to set them down. You can use a powder eyeshadow if you want to, but shadow sticks make it so that you're not required to use it. And with this formulation, it is a long wear. So I'm gonna pull my little mirror up And what I'm gonna do is, what side do I want to start on? Do I want to start on the right or do I want to start on the left? Since the camera is facing closer to this, we're gonna start it with the left. So what I'm gonna start doing is, and I have a natural kind of darkness to my eyelids. My eyelids have kind of, like I like to call it, a natural sultry smoky eye effect to them. So when I put this on, I have nothing on my eyelids right now. No nothing, no primer, no nothing. So I'm just going in straight with the stick. So just, you know, let me make sure y'all can see. Nothing on my eyelids. Clear. So I'm going in right now with that pink steel, and I'm placing it all over the lid. No particular rhyme or reason to how I'm doing it. I'm just placing it all over the lid like that. And as you can see, beautiful shimmer. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to take my finger and just pat everything out. Just pat it out, kind of blend it in to my crease area as well, using my finger, no brushes. So this is also very, very good for if you're traveling and you don't want to take a makeup palette with you. Throw you an eyeshadow stick in your makeup bag, baby. The eyeshadow stick's gonna always get you together, as you can see. So let me go ahead and do this side as well. And again, no particular rhyme or reason with how I'm applying it. I'm not even coloring in the lines, to be completely honest, y'all. So, no rhyme or reason. Take my little finger. And I don't know if you guys know this, but when I first started doing makeup, I started watching the YouTube girlies back in 2014, 2015. So the Jackie Ainas, the Aaliyah J's, I was watching them. And a lot of the time they told us your fingers are going to be your first tools that you're going to use when you're doing your makeup. So baby, get your fingers dirty. Make sure your hands are clean first, but get your hands dirty. Makeup is an art. So why not dive all the way into it? So doing just like that. And again, I'm just taking it and flicking that color all the way up. And so, put the cap back on. I think just to give a little dimension on the outer V, I think I want to go in with some of this bark. I'm going to show y'all how I do that. With this, I'm only concentrating the color on that outer corner. And then what I'm going to do, go back in with my finger, just take it and blend it in with that pink steel color. So it'll give like a little gradient effect. So that outer corner is a little bit darker. Do y'all see how that is? Y'all see that dimension? That's what I'm told. You see that? You see that? And if you want, just go in with your other finger that has no product on it. Just but you see that? And I'm just going to add just a touch more. Not doing too much, but just a touch more so I can blend it out even more. And again, I'm blending with my finger. You see how that looks? So now I'm going to go do the other side the exact same way. Add a little bit of the color on the outer corner of my eye. That little outer V area. And with my finger, just blend it. And do y'all see how that just look? And just because I feel like I want to intensify the sparkle, I'm going to go back in with pink steel And I'm just going to add some more onto the lid. That's the thing and the beauty that I love about shadow sticks. You can intensify it if you want to. You could put as much on or as little on as you like. Just take it and go like that. And y'all see how beautiful that looks. This eye pencil is really, this shadow stick, not eye pencil, this shadow stick is really, she's really that girl. And so since we're keeping the look simple, easy, beginner friendly, I'm not doing any lashes. I'm going straight in with just mascara. And this is the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. And I really like this mascara, y'all. I like it. Like, look at the little applicator. You know your lashes gonna get some good application with this. So Too Faced did their big one with this because I used to only be a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara girl. But after discovering the cosmetic company store at Tanger Outlet, I think that I just might like Damn Girl. Because you see my lashes? Yeah. This mascara does her big one. And it don't leave your lashes crunchy like how other mascaras can leave your lashes. I like this applicator and I like the formulation of the mascara. Not saying that I don't like that Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but this one, no. She might be talking to me a little bit more than Too Faced Better Than Sex. Too Faced Damn Girl might be talking to me a little bit more than that Better Than Sex one. I don't know. And see, you see how I got some mascara right there? We're going to just let it dry because trying to get it off right now is going to smudge it. So we're going to wait till it dry and then we're going to be able to flick that baby off. So can we get a little commotion for the eye look? Huh? Yes, mascara is on. The look is complete. My hair is down. The base is on. The look is complete. Super simple, super easy, beginner friendly.
Looking at your body, goddess Aphrodite.